We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with the one and only Giovanni. What are we doing today?
We're doing something really special today, Lil.
Okay.
We're doing chicken rollatini.
Oh, people love that.
I took fresh baby spinach, I sauteed some garlic, and we'll put it right into the bowl. Then I'm gonna take a good amount of pecorino, and then we're just gonna add some shredded mozzarella, just a simple little mix like that.
It has spinach in it, so it's healthy.
That's right, that's what I tell myself. So we're gonna take these beautiful chicken cutlets. I pounded them lightly, not too much, because I still want a bite to it. I'm gonna take that stuffing, I'm gonna put some here, and some right there. I'm gonna roll it up, and I'm gonna leave it right there. And I'm gonna roll this one up, like that, and I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna roll it, and then I'm gonna make it tight. This way, when we bread it and we fry it and we finish it in the oven, we take it out, we can slice little rings. You put it in the refrigerator and you let it cool. And by letting it cool, you'll prevent it from opening when you fry it. I mixed some Italian breadcrumbs and some panko breadcrumbs, and we just breaded it. This is gonna be quick. I'm just looking to get color. You see how fast that was? That's the color I'm looking for. And now we're gonna take that, we're gonna throw it in the oven, 10 minutes at 350. Chicken rollatini goes amazing with Marsala sauce. You can do a brown sauce. So we're gonna cut this into 3. Get a little bit more sauce. Hit it with some parsley on top. This is for me, that's for you.
Perfect. Here we go.
All right.
Oh, that's good.
That's very good.
And you're gonna love this. So head to our website, news12.com, and try this at home. Thank you so much, Gio.
Thank you, Lil.